Hello everyone, this is Adeel Mansoor. Today we are going to discuss two new researches with you. Number one is exposure to racism is linked with the brain changes that may affect your health. And number two is frequent napping may be a sign of higher risk of stroke and high blood pressure. So stay with us and get more details about these research news. Viewers, exposure to racism linked to the brain changes that may affect health. The result of the study appeared in Biological Psychiatry, Cognitive Neurosciences, and Neuroimaging magazine. A new study looks at the brain of black women who reported having experiences with the racial discrimination. The goal of the study was to determine whether racial discrimination could affect the brain. After doing MRI scans on the woman's brain, the researchers found changes in their white matter area. The researchers believe that these changes can contribute to adverse health outcomes such as hypertension, high cholesterol, depression, anxiety, and post-traumatic stress disorders (PTSD). Research number two is frequent napping may be a sign of higher risk of stroke and high blood pressure. Researchers in China found frequent napping may be a signal of higher risk of blood pressure and stroke. The findings suggest that individuals who sometime or frequently napped had an increased risk of hypertension and stroke compared to individuals who never nap. While napping itself is not the issue, researchers say it could be a sign of potential underlying health issues. This study published in Hypertension, a journal produced by American Heart Association. Viewers, we hope that you have liked today's video, so don't forget to comment in our comment box. Take care of yourself until next video. Allah Hafiz.